Hello, and in today's video I will be making an apple cider vinegar facial wash. You will need, of course, your apple cider vinegar and Castile soap. I'm using the 18-in-1 hemp baby unscented pure Castile soap. You will also need measuring cups and measuring spoons. This is optional, but it's helpful to get some little bottles to put your wash in after you have made it. Using this apple cider vinegar wash will allow us to wash our face without using harsh chemicals. This will be my first time actually trying this, and I'm super excited because I've never tried it before, and my face has some issues going on with discoloration and just a lot of issues, and I really want to see if it works. So let's make it together. Just finished making it. I have it in this little bottle, looking like this, and let's try it out. All right, here we go. Shake it up. It smells like, don't open your eyes because it seriously burns. This is my face after being fully washed with my new apple cider vinegar and Castile soap wash. So now I'm going to take some pictures of my face. I will be trying this for the next 5 days. I'll be doing this in the morning and at night, and I will be following up with shea butter as my moisturizer. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel and tap that notifications bell so that you can see my follow-up video to see if it is going to clear up some of these dark spots and some of these like pimples and just things that I have going on with my skin. Let me introduce myself because you know I done showed you this whole video. It'll be rude not to introduce myself. My name is Shamanique, and I am currently on a journey to create a natural, holistic, and a simple lifestyle for my family and myself. So I'm relearning everything and trying to learn a lot of stuff about natural products and just how to live a better life. If you are down for that and you're doing that and you're kind of on that same journey and you're in the beginning stages, please feel free to subscribe to this channel. We can learn and grow together. Once again, thank you for clicking on my video. You're super awesome. I hope something wonderful happens to you today that really makes you smile. Thanks for joining me. Peace out.